up, everybody? You're watching Pikachu's Bird Adventure Part 13. See, look at him. Don't he look so cute, everybody? Oh my god. Look at him. Oh. And then you're gonna want to do this, and then your bird will love it. Do this. You want to do it slowly. Don't do it hard, or else your bird will get angry. Just like I'm doing. Yeah. Pet your bird on the back. And don't forget, pet your bird on the head. If you do that, he's gonna be a good boy. Isn't that right, Pika? Anyways, everybody, that's all. See y'all later. Peace out, everybody.